Okay, Alex Reynolds again. So, I'm gonna start making more videos or try and get other people to, cause like I don't play anymore, just selling. But yeah, probably making a lot more other random videos that don't have to do with Yu-Gi-Oh, just whatever is going on. But yeah, so check out my sign. It's so cool. It changes colors. But yeah. Okay, so let's go talk to other people here at Frankincense. There's Adam Corn's booth, but he's not there. He's at Kamikaze, some dumb thing that they're doing. There's Ed.
100 packs, no rabbit.
Do you have a YouTube channel, Ed?
Yes. I do.
Oh, cool. There's people. What? You need your money? Alright, I'll bring your money right now. People skipping and dancing. This is where I got all my sneak preview packs.